Today's Tuesday, April 13th. This is the 1966 Cadillac Eldorado 6-button cluster switch for my friend John in Chicago. This has the 2 right angular position vent window switches and then the 4-button cluster switch all embedded within a 6-button unit. So the unit came to me, and of course it was damaged, so I had to replace the motherboard for the 4-button cluster switch, as the right hand passenger front window switch was missing a prong and broken. So I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test. I'll go ahead and connect the unit to power. And we'll have the light bulb here indicating electrical continuity for each of the different positions. Okay, we'll begin. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. Okay, so that's all 4 of the power windows comprising the 4-button cluster switch for the 6-button unit for the 1966 Cadillac Eldorado. This will be going out to my friend John in Chicago. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1970 and over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, power steering columns, power seat mechanisms, of course, all of the electrical switches and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac components. Today's Tuesday, April 13th. Thank you very kindly.